Hello everybody, Jennifer Turner back for another section of EduSheet's Toolbox. So today I'm going to teach you guys another little tool you can put in your toolbox as an educator, and that is how to combine text in Excel or in Actually, I'm going to do Google Sheets today. So how to combine text in Google Sheets or a spreadsheet. So if you want to see this in Excel specifically, please drop me a comment and I'll make another video with Excel. So sometimes as an educator, when you download data, it doesn't put it exactly the way that you want it. So, for example, this is a sample honor roll report. Remember, like all of my videos on here, all data is made up. I've only copied the formatting from the host sheet. So in eSchool, you can download an honor roll report, and it looks something like this. And it gives me the kids on the honor roll, and I have last name, comma, first name. Well, one thing I do with the honor roll at my campus is I create a poster, and I put the kids' names up on the wall. I create it in Canva. It's pretty simple, and I put the names up on the wall because kids like to see their names on the wall, and that way we can celebrate those students who are making the honor roll. So I want to create this in poster format, but I have found over the years that kids prefer the format to be first name space last name on the poster. They'll find it if it's last name comma first name, but they like it much better when it's first name space last name. So I need to change all of these names to be in a different format. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click in this little magic box in the top left, and I'm going to do Control-C to copy. And I'm going to add a sheet, and instead of Control-V to paste, I'm going to paste as values only to get rid of any weird formatting that might be in there. And then I'm going to get rid of all of this header information because I do not need it for what I'm doing today. And I need to change the student name to do the format. So first thing I have to do is split up. I need to split the first name and the last name. So I'm going to highlight column A because that's where the name is. Data, split text to columns. It's going to suggest something. What they're suggesting right now is actually what I want. I want it to split it at the comma, so I'm going to go with that. So this is now the last name. And this is, oh, I hit caps lock. This is now the first name. And because that's going to bother me, I'm going to fix it. All right. So I want it to be first name, last name. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an equal sign right here because I'm going to tell spreadsheet, this Google Sheet, that I want it to do something for me. That's what that equal sign means. And I want it to give me the first name, and then you're going to use an ampersand. That's that and symbol up in your number area of your keyboard. And I'm just going to show you guys this last name. So I want it to give me the first name and the last name. Now notice how it doesn't put a space in between. It's because I didn't tell it to put a space in between. So whenever I want it to give me the first name space last name, I have to tell it that. So first name equals the first name and symbol, open parentheses, space, close parentheses, quotation marks. So those quotation marks trigger that I want you to give me exactly this. So first name, space, and last name. So now I have first name, space, last name. But you could do whatever you wanted. You could tell it that you wanted first name and comma, last name. Now that's what it's done. You could tell it you want it to do first name and the number 1 and last name. And now it's done that. So you can, as long as you use those quotation marks and the ampersands, tell it to do whatever you want it to do to combine any information that you have whatsoever in here. I could tell it then I want it to do ampersand, open parentheses, ampersand, the ID number, ampersand, quotation marks, close parentheses, quotation marks. And now it's given me first name, space, last name, no space, the ID number in parentheses. So as long as there is information in here or it's on your keyboard, you can combine it together using starting with the equal sign and just using the ampersands to go through and tell it what to do. So now I'm going to hover over the bottom right of the cell where I have my formula to where I have this cross. Double click, it will copy it down. The only problem is that because there's a gap here, it's not going to keep copying. So I'm going to drag all the way down, and then I can sort alphabetically by last name because last name is still in there, and create my poster for these kids in Canva. So last time, most important things with combining text is you got to have what you want to have combined either on your keyboard or built into your spreadsheet. Remember the equal sign and remember the ampersand, and then quotation marks around things that you're adding from the keyboard that aren't already in there. All right, drop me a comment if you have questions. Drop me a comment if you want to see this in Excel. Drop me a comment if there's something else in spreadsheets that you would like to know how to do, and I'll make a video for you guys and let you know. But that's it for today. Bye, guys.